Welcome to the Ashanti Gold Bibiani Limited Mines School in the heart of Ghana's Western North region. Today, we launch our STEM empowerment project aiming to spark hope and ignite curiosity in robotics and artificial intelligence. This journey is about bringing opportunities to overlooked communities, creating a brighter, tech-driven future for all.
Such as Sahab is an initiative that seeks to empower students in terms of finance, skill sets and all that, leadership programs. They do all these things for free for students, and this is one of the programs that they have actually sponsored us to and back on. So it is great to have collaborating with such as Sahab. It's the STEM empowerment project, that is STEMeep. So what we are doing is that we are coming to educate the students on technology such as robotics, IoT, and artificial intelligence. Basically, we are just coming to let them have a practical experience of how robotics work, because looking at where we are, Western North Ghana, Bibiani specifically, the students and then the people have less, or they lack the knowledge, they lack technological literacy. So we are about to bridge that gap between their illiteracy and then their literacy. So that is why we are here currently in the Bibiani Mines School. We've invited some couple of schools who are coming to experience this program, and I believe that it's going to be a blessing. So stay tuned and I'll see you.
That's the decree until the day I see my king. Put your hand on your head, left hand on your chest.
Now, how do you call the robots to
cover me, mama?
get the line?
Your voice and shout favor. It's alright. Cover me from now until the day I see my king. One last time, favor.
Or like, life is like a simplified version of it. That's something that's true. So that you can see.
Until the day.
So if you want
One last time, shout favor. It's alright.
holding the Jesus and then that's very good.
Cover me from now. So I decree and declare, you will know favor this week. Favor.
So how was your experience today?
It was great and interesting. I learned a lot of things.
That's the
So
decree.
the experience today was very nice, getting exposed to the technological part of robotics, coding, and then learning how to put together robots was a very good experience for the first time. After that, we got a more deeper knowledge into the concept of robotics.
What made it interesting? What exactly?
The robotic part.
Okay, so what did you learn there?
I learned many things. He said robots helps in homes and healthcare accessibility. Robots helps.
We learned about coding and the theory aspect. I heard that they said they have types of robots: industrial robots, service robots, exploratory robots, and then they help in some aspects like agricultural aspects, healthcare, and then security.
Okay. So do you think with this knowledge you can create something, a robot or anything at all?
So, well, with this first time exposure, even if I'm not able to do anything, I will be able to be able to code a light bulb and then be able to name some components of robotics.
What did you learn today too?
I learned about how to program like a remote car to function.
Okay, so what were the steps taken?
First, you have to make sure your Arduino board and everything are directly in place on the table, and make sure all cables are connected, and make sure the USB cable is directly placed into the Arduino or the EPS32. And connect it to the device you program the codes on it, and make sure the codes you programmed on your computer is well arranged, the name you gave to the device that you are programming. it's well typed on the computer, then you upload it for it to
Okay.
function.
How you are explaining this stuff, I think you can really create it the next time, right?
Yes.
So what do you tell those who didn't come? What are you telling them? Like your advice to them, what you want them to know?
Oh, like some people think programming is a little bit complicated.
Yeah.
But I once thought though, but according to what I've seen today, I'll tell them that it's just like illusion, like just dreaming. So, but programming is very interesting and very lovely, so they should all join.
Okay, that's good.
The program has successfully ended and was a blessing. The students came, they participated, and from the comments I heard, they really loved the program, and I believe that it is not going to be the end of the STEMeep or the STEM empowerment project. It's going to be extended to other regions as well, and I believe they are going to make impact, and these communities will also develop as well. We believe that technology is also a solution for the students to actually have a brighter future, and even the community and Ghana as a whole. Thank you for watching. See you another time. God bless you.
The day I see my king. Put your hand on your head, left hand on your chest.